YouTube, welcome back. So as my wife was trying to take this loaner car to work, and well, it happened yesterday. Somehow she walked toward the car and then the remote doesn't automatic unlock. So yesterday I had to push the door handle in order to unlock it. Somehow I guess she tried to do it today and it was unsuccessful. I'm figuring probably the remote on the key fob is totally dead. Since this vehicle is 2022 Lucid Air Grand Touring, but when we pick it up as a loaner car, it only has 25 miles, so I guess the battery only lasts for about a year. So let me walk towards it. See, I try to press it. It's not reacting to anything. Let me push the handle. I guess the car tried to wake up. So push it again, should be unlocked. Uh-oh. Oh my God. Let me see. I can hear something running on the front. What? And now it's unlocked. What is going on? This car is kind of acting out weird. Because at first I told my wife when I walk toward the car, every time when we go out or do some errand, and it doesn't unlock by itself. So I guess this car is acting out weird. That's why maybe people was this one become a demo car. Because they might have some issue or something like that, so I don't know. Let me walk towards it and see. Maybe it was in a deep sleep mode or something. See, now it's not opening. But I can hear something at the front. It's running. See, I pop out the hood. As you can see, the mirror is still folded. Not sure what's going on here. It's not reacting to the unlock mode when I press twice. Press once. Well, since the car is already unlocked. Let me try one more time to push the handle. Yeah, it's not unlocking, so it's might call customer service, see what the hell's going on. Let me try the back. Yeah, I think probably the key fob battery is dead. And let me try to change it and see if it's gonna work or not. So yeah, I tried to pop out the trunk. It's not allowing me to push the button to disengage the trunk latch. And now it's open by itself. What the hell? Let me open it. Let's see. So yeah, it shows 314 miles. We have battery. So we almost drove 1,100 miles. We picked it up when it's 25. Let me make sure if I could get out. Yeah, so everything seems working fine. Not sure what's going on here. AC is on. Hopefully she didn't forget the lights, so I don't think the lights are gonna be in. any issues. So yeah, let me change the battery and see, and hopefully that will fix the problem. Let me test out right now about the front. Hold it. Yeah, so weird. Now you could open and then test out the trunk one time and hold it long. So weird. Holy cow. Why is it open now only halfway? What the heck is going on here? Let me close it. Let me try one more time. What is going on with this car? Well, there you go. This car is giving me some creep. Let me close the front. What? That's definitely something wrong with this vehicle, man. It's not closing. Let me close the... It says key fob not detected. Now it's locked. Hold it. It's gonna open again. Let me just use the... No, let's see. Holy cow, what's going on here? Something is broken or what? Let me try to use the button. Oh no, this car is whack. Yeah, I think the key fob of the battery is dead. Can't even lock it. Yeah, it's so weird. Alright, so we're gonna change this Lucid battery, key fob battery. You need to insert like a flathead screwdriver or a prying tool in here. So make sure you jam it in there and then pry upward. Okay, then there goes your battery. This one is the CR2032 3-volt lithium-ion coin battery. Let me check out the voltage on this thing. .995 should be good. I'm not sure what's going on here. Alright, so I got this brand new Panasonic CR2032. Let's go ahead and open this up. Should be more than 3 volt. So it went over, that's why it's flashing. Let me put it on 30. So it's 3.27 volt when it's brand new. Let's go ahead and pop out the new battery. Be sure to insert this in first. There's a tab. so it will hold the battery down. And this side go in first, the one toward at the edge. And you should press down both sides, and then when in here, click. Let's go out there and then test this out. Alright, so let's go and then test this out. Let me walk towards. Oh, automatic detects right away. So I guess the key fob battery was low, so it's not detecting it, because sometimes on the dash it says key not detected. See, it shows no key detected. And you put it in the car. I put it in the C, and then now it detects it. Let me try the front again. Press lock, unlock. So it works instantly right now. Press and hold the front. Let me open the trunk. Hopefully this one's gonna close. I'm not sure it's got to do with the low battery or what, but close the front. Now I'm gonna lock the car back up. Oh, it automatically detects it. Now it detects the keys are unlocked by itself. Let me press to lock. Well, there you go. Anyway, if you're Lucid Air Peer, Lucid Air Grand Touring, Air Dream Edition, or whatever Platinum or Sapphire, if it's key fobs going out of battery, those are the symptoms that's gonna give you the issue. So yeah. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.